Hey, how's it going? It's Brennan here, and welcome to Atomic Done For You. Now, the reason why I'm creating this video is because I want to give you a run through of how our software works, how it creates you assets, monetizes them, and that gets the traffic that you need so you can start generating profits and leads into your business. So let's start with the asset. We've got a catalog of 50 different assets to choose from. We've selected some of the best low competition niches that you can get involved in so you can actually genuinely compete and get money in these businesses. Now, once you've selected your asset, that's where you get to the monetization page. We've made this super simple. You can either select the money page or you can select the lead page. Now, as you can imagine, if you select the money page, we are going to set you up with monetization on your asset that sends the traffic directly to the offers that you want. That could be with an affiliate link, or if you have your own sales pages, you can load those in there as well. But basically, you can just jam in the links that are going to generate you profits. The second option is the lead pages. Now, if you select this, obviously you're focusing on generating leads first. And if you're an intermediate or experienced marketer, this is going to be a great option for you because once you build a list with the lead option, then you can make even more profits by continuing to market to these people over time. Now, the solution that you pick basically is up to what level you are at. So if you're just getting started, go with the money pages. If you are a more experienced marketer, select the lead pages. We have you covered on both fronts. After that, you pick the template that you want. So you can actually pick the lead page or the money page that you want from our extensive list of different templates to choose from. And that's it. You have your asset that you chose fully monetized in the way that you wanted to monetize it. From there, it's just about generating traffic. Now, traffic is one of the best things about Atomic Done For You because we've loaded this up with 20 different traffic sources. All you do is select your monetized asset from the drop-down menu, and then you literally get your icons for all these 20 different traffic sources, and you can just start blasting away, getting as much traffic as you possibly can to your asset. So what we have attempted and really gone for and focused on with Atomic Done For You is making a business as simple as possible for you. And the reason why we did it was because we know there's a lot of people that are starting out that are struggling to build their businesses on their own. We wanted to come up with a solution that was point and click simple. Select the asset, we've created it for you. Select the monetization, we've created it for you as well. And then blast it to 20 different traffic sources that are provided to you at your fingertips inside your members area. So hopefully that gives you a good run through of what the software does. If you'd like to join Atomic Done For You, currently it's on a launch special, so you're going to get the best price for this, as well as some pretty cool bonuses as well. But you're going to find more information about this on this page. So go ahead, take a look, see what you think, and let me know what you think in the end. And hopefully I'll see you inside the members area. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys soon. Bye for now.